How to get streaks on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your streaks going strong on TikTok. So, first of all, you have to make sure that your TikTok app is updated. For this, you have to head over to the App Store if you have iPhone and Google Play Store if you have Android. If it is updated, head over to your TikTok, go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines and go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Notifications under Content and Display. There you'll see the streaks option. So you have to toggle it on. After that, it will remain active. If it is toggled off, then you won't receive streaks notifications. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.